Acumatica allows you to simply add a user-defined field to a form. For example, if we were to go to Invoices and Memos, and let's say we want to know what type of order type this is, we can go to Manage User-Defined Fields, add a user-defined field, type in the order type, and hit OK. Then when we go back to the form, you will see there's now an additional tab that's been added to the Invoices and Memos. This is the tab that comes with the document, and our user-defined field is now on the additional tab. You'll see it's an order type. By clicking on the magnifying glass, we can see the types of orders or selections that we could choose from.